In last video we learned about Central Processing Unit, CPU. Today, we will learn about input and output devices. Let's start with what is input devices with example. Input devices are hardware components that allow users to input data or commands into a computer or other electronic device. They enable users to communicate with the computer and provide a way to enter information, instructions, and commands. Examples of input devices include keyboard. A keyboard is a common input device that allows users to enter text, numbers, and symbols into a computer. Most computers come with a built-in keyboard, but external keyboards can also be attached to a computer. Mouse. A mouse is another common input device that allows users to control the movement of a cursor on a computer screen. It typically has two or more buttons, and sometimes a scroll wheel, that enable users to select and interact with on-screen objects. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is an input device that allows users to interact with a computer or other device by touching the screen directly. It's commonly used in smartphones, tablets, and some laptops. Scanner. A scanner is an input device that enables users to convert printed or written documents into digital form. It can be used to scan photos, receipts, documents, and other items, and then save them on a computer. Joystick. A joystick is an input device that allows users to control the movement of a cursor or other on-screen object by moving the stick in different directions. It's often used in gaming and flight simulation applications. Microphone. A microphone is an input device that allows users to input audio into a computer. It's often used for voice recognition, video conferencing, and recording audio. Digital camera. A digital camera is an input device that enables users to capture still or moving images and videos, and then transfer them to a computer. It's often used for photography and video recording. Now, what is output devices with example? Output devices are hardware components of a computer system that receive data from the computer and present it in a human-readable form. They allow us to interact with and receive feedback from the computer system. Here are some examples of common output devices. Monitor or display. A monitor or display is an output device that shows visual information such as images, videos, and text. Examples of displays include CRT monitors, LCD monitors, and LED displays. Printer. A printer is an output device that produces a hard copy of digital information on paper. There are various types of printers, such as inkjet printers, laser printers, and dot matrix printers. Speakers. Speakers are output devices that produce sound from a computer system. They can be external speakers or built into a device, such as a laptop or mobile phone. Headphones. Headphones are output devices that allow users to hear sound without disturbing others. They are commonly used with computers, mobile phones, and music players. Projectors. A projector is an output device that projects images or videos onto a large surface such as a wall or screen. They are commonly used in classrooms, offices, and home theaters. Overall, output devices are essential components of a computer system that allow us to interact with and receive feedback from digital information. In the next video, we will learn about all types of computers' memories. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Please like and subscribe for upcoming videos. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment box, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Or contact me via my personal email address, which I will mention in the video descriptions.